42 days after recording a slump in fresh COVID-19 cases, Maharashtra has taken the notorious top spot in the country once again, leaving Kerala behind. Maharashtra recorded 3,365 new cases, higher than Kerala's count of 2,884 on Monday. The last time it logged the highest daily cases count in the country was on January 4th. Talking to media in Aurangabad on Sunday night, Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar said that we will have to take strict actions after talking to the Chief Minister if cases continue to rise. Former Karnataka Chief Minister and Janata Dal secular leader H.D. Kumaraswamy on Monday alleged that the houses of those who are contributing to the funds for the construction of Ram Temple at Ayodhya are being marked, like the Nazis of Germany who had a similar system to identify the Jews for execution. Kumaraswamy was speaking at a press conference in Shivamogga when he told the reporters about this system that is being practiced. He reiterated the same in a series of tweets. He said, "I don't know where these developments will take us to. You all know what happened in Germany under the Nazi rule. Lakhs of people lost their lives in that country," he said at the press conference. The centre is planning to take down spam and financial frauds that are carried out over phone calls and text messages, the Communications Ministry said in a statement on Monday, announcing work on a new platform to report unsolicited calls and messages and a new data intelligence unit that will help coordinate between law enforcement agencies, banks and service providers. The announcement was made after Union Minister for Communications Ravi Shankar Prasad held a meeting on Monday to address the rising consumer complaints that range from unsolicited text messages and calls to serious financial frauds through phishing, a strategy in which suspects make calls pretending to be bank officials to access privileged information like passwords and account details. The Rajasthan government, after taking cognizance of the media reports, has amended the Rajasthan prison rules to do away with caste-based assignment of labour. According to a notification issued in February this year, the state government made 3 amendments to these rules. The amendments come after Rajasthan High Court took suo motu cognizance of a media report on caste practices prevalent in the prisons. A day after Delhi police issued arrest warrants against activist Nikita Jacob and Shantanu Muluk in the case involving online document, or what is popularly referred to as toolkit, shared by teen climate campaigner Greta Thunberg in support of the farmers' protest, the Bombay High Court will today hear Jacob's request for protection from arrest for 4 weeks. All 3 prepared the Google document and shared it, Delhi police has said. Arrested activist Disha Ravi, who is 22 years old, and the 2 others held a Zoom meeting before Republic Day to plan a social media buzz on the farmers' tractor rally, the police said on Monday. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.